Hello guys, this is the exercise 3.2 of coordinate geometry and we are doing the second sum. See the figure and write the following: the coordinate of B, coordinate of C, the point of identified by the coordinates minus 3 and minus 5. So the solution is the coordinate of point B is the distance from B from x-axis and y-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of point B are minus 2 and 2. How? We can say here, first we'll take from x-axis, means minus 2, minus 5 and 2 from here. Then we have to find the coordinate of B. This was B and coordinate of C. You can see here 5 from x-axis. First we'll take x then y. x-axis का है 5 and y-axis में है minus 5. So we can write the coordinate of point P. Here you can see the coordinate of point P is the distance of point C from x-axis and y-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of point C are 5 and minus 5. Third, the point identify the coordinates minus 3 and minus 5. The point that represents the coordinate minus 3 हमारा हो गया यहाँ and minus 5 नीचे, वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं E. तो हमारा आंसर आएगा द पॉइंट डैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द कोऑर्डिनेट्स minus 3 minus 5 इज़ E. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया, पहले हम x लिखेंगे फिर y का, फिर हमने यहाँ पे देखना है कि E ये minus 3 और minus 5 कहाँ पे आया, वो E पे आया. द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाइड बाय कोऑर्डिनेट 2 एंड minus 4. ये x है और ये y है. आप x पे देखो पॉजिटिव और y पे minus 4 देखो. x पॉजिटिव 2 है और minus 4 यहाँ आ गया. तो our answer is the point that represents the coordinates 2 and minus 4 is G. Next question, the fifth part, the abscissa of the point D. So the abscissa of the point D, abscissa means the distance from point D from y-axis. Therefore the abscissa of point D is 6. Abscissa of D is 6. The coordinate of point H. The coordinate of point H, first we'll see here coordinate of point H, वो क्या होगा minus 3. So the coordinate of point H is the distance of point H from x-axis. Therefore the abscissa of point H is minus 3. Next question, the coordinate of point L. We can see here L is on 5 y-axis and 0 on x-axis. So the coordinate of point L is in the above figure is the distance of point L from x-axis and y-axis. Therefore coordinate of point L are 0 and 5. 0 from x-axis and y, this is y, pi from 5, it is on 5. So 0 x-axis में है और y-axis में y है. The coordinate of point M. The coordinate of point M is minus 3 in x-axis, x dash, and y-axis में 0 है. So the coordinate of point M is the distance of point M from x-axis and y-axis. Therefore the coordinate of point M is minus 3 and 0. Thank you for watching the video.